Hey, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes. Today I'm going to show you how to add rows and columns to your designs on Framer. Navigate to a section on your design and use the Layout panel at the top to add frames, rows, columns, or grids. We'll add columns. Click and drag to create the stack, and you can see that in your Layers panel it appears as a stack with frames inside, organised into columns. To add more columns to the stack, copy and paste to add more, or using Option on Mac, click and drag to duplicate. We'll leave it as 2. Clicking on the stack, navigate to Layout, and here you can adjust the gap between the columns. You can adjust the padding around the columns, and you can even change it into rows and back into columns. If you're designing responsively, this will automatically appear in your tablet view, where you can make minor adjustments if needed, and a mobile view, where it will adjust to rows if it fits better. And there you have it. That's how you add columns to your designs on Framer. See you soon!